So today, paella.
First make your stock using saffron and stock powder.
Nice hot pan, a little bit of oil, onion, now garlic. Next we want to add our capsicum. Add some chorizo, add some chicken, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, not too much, a little bit of tomato paste. Okay, add our rice and our stock. Once the water's boiling, just turn it down a little bit and let it do its thing. Don't play with the rice too much, but you can give it a bit of a shake. Once the rice has been cooking halfway, add our seafood mix and just let it be for another 10 minutes. The water to rice ratio, I did 1 to 3, depending on what rice you're using, anywhere between 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 ratio. The rice is almost cooked. We haven't stirred it. Just check it with a spoon, and then we'll cover with foil. The rice on the bottom will become slightly burnt, and that's called the sokora. It's been sitting for 20 minutes. Garnish with some red onion, cherry tomatoes, some lemon, and some chives.